Hi there! Let's take a look at what is included in our sales package and what else is needed to install our hydrogenerator. The first thing we find in the box is the envelope containing the installation guide. The hydrogenerator's turbine. The charger. Mounting accessories kit. Deck connector with boat internal generator cable. And the hydrogenerator itself. The mounting accessories kit contains the following parts: rubber mat, rubber washers and metal washers, bolts and nuts. We also have the ferrite filter to be clipped on the battery cable, bolt and washers for attaching the turbine, and 2 screws for installing the deck connector. One of the most important parts still remains, which is the mounting rail. The rail is installed with a reinforcement plate sawn from plywood. We'll also need sealant suitable for marine use, blue thread lock, battery cables, a 40 ampere circuit breaker. For mounting the charger, we'll need some wood screws suitable for the selected install location. As for tools, we'll need a saw, drill bits, a screwdriver and a 13mm wrench and socket wrench, and a 5mm hex key. That's everything needed for installing. Next, you can watch the installation video.